Being coachable, receptive to feedback, and willing to collaborate with others are key attributes that will propel us forward in our culinary journey, guiding us towards excellence and mastery in our craft. As we stand on the threshold of culinary futures, I urge each and every one of you to stay true to your passions, to believe in your potential, and never waver in your pursuit of culinary greatness.
This now confirms that you are now a graduate. Congratulations, everyone. If you all would turn and face your family.
Let me show you what I got.